Do you know many people are having trouble with their Whirlpool dryer not stopping and running all night long? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check settings. First, check the dryer settings to ensure the controls are not set on continuous run or extended drying cycle. Step 2. Inspect timer. Verify that the timer knob is properly aligned and functioning to ensure it isn't stuck and causing the dryer to run indefinitely. Step 3. Check door switch. Open the dryer door and check the door switch. If the dryer doesn't stop running when the door is opened, the switch may need replacement. Step 4. Clean sensors. Ensure the moisture sensor bars inside the drum are clean. Dirty sensors can fail to detect dryness, causing the dryer to keep running. Step 5. Clear vent. Clear any lint or debris from the dryer vent and exhaust duct. Poor ventilation can cause the dryer to overheat and malfunction. Step 6. Inspect electricals. Check household fuses or circuit breakers to ensure they are intact and properly placed. Malfunctioning electrical components can prevent the dryer from completing its cycle. By following these steps, your Whirlpool dryer should stop running continuously and work efficiently. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.